Welcome to the world of unstoppable power. In this video, witness how powerful machines destroy massive trees and thick roots in just seconds. Their crushing force and razor-sharp blades turn solid wood into splinters with ease. Get ready to be amazed by raw mechanical strength in action. The handheld chainsaw is a powerful and essential tool for anyone working with wood, forestry, or storm cleanup. Despite its compact size, it delivers incredible cutting power, capable of slicing through thick tree trunks, branches, and logs with speed and precision. Its sharp, rotating chain tears through wood effortlessly, making it ideal for felling trees, trimming limbs, or cutting firewood. Modern chainsaws are designed for efficiency, with ergonomic handles, safety features, and fuel-efficient engines or electric motors that reduce fatigue and environmental impact. Portable and easy to maneuver, a handheld chainsaw allows users to work in tight or remote areas where larger machinery can't reach. It saves time, increases productivity, and transforms demanding cutting tasks into manageable jobs. Whether for professionals or homeowners, the chainsaw is a versatile and reliable companion that combines raw strength with practical convenience. Always remember, with great power comes the need for great care. The wood chipper is a formidable machine designed to handle the toughest tree waste with ease. Equipped with powerful engines and razor-sharp rotating blades or drum systems, it can devour entire branches, limbs, and even small trunks in seconds, turning them into uniform wood chips. This process not only significantly reduces the volume of tree debris but also transforms it into useful mulch or biomass fuel. The strength of a wood chipper lies in its ability to process large quantities of wood quickly, making it an essential tool for forestry operations, landscaping, storm cleanup, and land clearing. Its benefits go beyond power. Using a wood chipper improves job site safety by reducing loose debris and helps keep the environment cleaner. Many modern models feature sound-reducing technology, anti-jam systems, and towable designs, increasing both safety and mobility. For professional arborists or large-scale operations, the wood chipper boosts efficiency, lowers labor costs, and contributes to sustainable waste management practices. By recycling tree waste into usable material, this machine turns destruction into productivity. Whether clearing a backyard or managing acres of F. A wood splitter delivers immense force to break large logs into smaller, manageable pieces with ease. Powered by hydraulics or electricity, it saves time and physical effort compared to manual splitting. Ideal for firewood preparation, it boosts efficiency, safety, and productivity in both residential and commercial settings. The double shaft shredder is a powerhouse machine built to crush and shred bulky materials like tree roots, branches, and even construction waste. With its two rotating shafts working in tandem, it delivers high torque and efficiency, reducing large objects into manageable pieces. This machine enhances waste processing, increases recycling capabilities, and ensures consistent performance in tough industrial environments. It's ideal for forestry, demolition, and waste management operations. The tree delimber with cutting head, mounted on an excavator arm, is a powerful and efficient machine designed for large-scale forestry operations. With its hydraulic-powered blades and gripping arms, it can quickly strip branches from entire trees and cut through thick trunks with precision. This attachment transforms the excavator into a multifunctional logging tool, reducing the need for multiple machines. It improves safety by allowing operators to work from a distance and enhances productivity by speeding up tree processing. Ideal for clearing, logging, and land development, the delimber cutting head combination ensures cleaner logs, minimizes manual labor, and increases operational efficiency. Its robust design makes it suitable for tough environments.
Trying to make sure I chew the good, make it nice and fine, like landscape grade, so it's nice and pretty. Also, so it'll decompose a little faster, and it just looks a lot more uniform. With an excavator in tight quarters like this, angled, at least if you want to keep yourself from having to do a lot of cleanup,